God's goal is everywhere. Kaya nga, pangaral ni Apostol Pablo, if you are not unbeliever, you act like unbeliever just to win the soul. Kung hindi ka kumakain ito, kumain ka. Just to win the soul. That is God's will. So, hindi tayo mananatili sa iisa lang just to protect the organization, protect the denomination. No, it's not about protecting the denomination. It's about preaching Christ in all ways. In many ways. Kasi maraming ways para ipahayag si Kristo. Kaya nga sabi ni Jesus, kapag ako ang ipinapahayag nila at ako ang pinaproclaim, hindi sila kalaban. Ang totoong kalaban, if they reject Christ, yun ang totoong kalaban. Pero kapag ang totoong ipinapahayag nila si Kristo, anumang denomination yan, anuman ang pinagmulan yan, hanggat si Jesus ang ipinapahayag, nothing can be a problem. But that's God's allowance. Continue to pray for that.